Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to drill and tap into aluminum, and we're doing that specifically to secure these solar panels to the brackets that we've mounted on deck. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a good sharp drill bit that is the correct size. This is a 5/32 drill bit, and that is the correct size for tapping 1024 or 10 gauge machine screws. So the second thing you're going to need is a decent quality tap, preferably a high quality tap. This is my 1024 tap. And you can use a handle for that, but with the aluminum, and I've tapped enough holes that I'm going to be doing this with a drill, and this will cut the female threads into the solar panel so that I don't have to mess with putting a nut on the back of a bolt. It's actually almost impossible in this situation using these brackets. So I will show you how that's done and how we run the drill and tap into the solar panel. And so now I'm going to drill the hole. So you'll see that the drill bit dropped through one layer and then a second layer, and that's because these panels are double walled. And something to note, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it in this shot, but we'll get a close up. There is a niche line on this panel that actually indicates where the glass stops. So there's a safe drilling zone right here between these two lines, basically. It's a nice big area. It's at least 50% of the side of the panel. And I made sure beforehand we have this panel set up so that I don't drill into the glass. Now I'm going to take my tap and hold it really steady and run it through. It's through the first layer and then the second layer. Now I run that back out and I have a tapped hole. Now this is the machine screw, so it's not a self-tapping screw, that's just a machine screw, or you might refer to it as a bolt depending on where you're from. And now the panel is tapped so I can run this in and it'll set up nice and tight. Now I will be putting a little Loctite on this screw when I'm done so it doesn't vibrate out over time, just green Loctite, so it's real easy to break it if need be. And the Loctite will also work to prevent the stainless from corroding the aluminum of the panel. You could also put Tef gel on the screw in this case, but I am a little concerned with vibration, possibly from high winds over time, vibrating those screws out. So in this case, we're gonna use Loctite.